Hello friends, today in this video let me quickly show you how to check VM creation date in Azure. If you want to check the Azure virtual machine creation date, how we are going to do this using Azure portal, as well as we will also discuss how we can use Azure PowerShell command to do that. Now let me navigate to the portal where I will show you the fast approach. Okay, now let me go there. You can able to see I have already logged into here to my Azure portal. I will search here for virtual machines. Okay. Now I will click on the search result virtual machines under services. Click on that. Now you will see all the virtual machines that you have created in your Azure subscription. Okay. Now click on the one for the one you want to check the VM creation date. Right. Click on the one and after clicking on the virtual machine name you can able to see here settings, right? Just expand the settings node and then click on the disks option. Okay, click on the disks option and then you can able to see here the disk name, right? So click on the particular disk name. The moment you will do that, you can able to see time created is 2 for 2025 11:49:35, right? So this is the date time of that particular VM. So in this way you can use Azure portal to check the VM creation date and time. Now coming back to the PowerShell command, I have already written the PowerShell command to find out the virtual machine creation date. So I will go to that notepad. I've already written in the notepad. You can able to see it here. This is get hyphen AZ disk and then followed by the resource group name that your uh, disk belongs to. Okay. And then you can able to see that this is the disk name that we have clicked there, right? And then select the name and time created of this particular virtual machine, right? So I will just copy this command and I will go to the PowerShell ISC and I will paste this command here. Okay. Now let me just execute this. You can able to see this is the disk name and the created time is this one 4 to 2025, right? So this way you can use PowerShell command, that is get hyphen AZ disk PowerShell command to get the uh, date and time of creation of one particular Azure virtual machine, right? So these are the two approaches, guys, you can utilize to get the VM creation date in Azure. And one more thing, let me tell you, if you want to use copy this command and all, you can. I have already written an article on this topic. That article link I am going to put it in the video description. You can navigate to that article and you can copy these commands. There is also one more command you can utilize. I will just copy this and this is the same command, just I trimmed something else, right? Yeah, I am not using these things here. I'm just using only the things needed here, right? So you can also use this particular command, right? If I'll execute this, you can able to see I got the time created is this one and the name of this disk, right? That is attached to my Azure virtual machine. While creating that Azure virtual machine, this is the default OS disk that is created with that virtual machine, right? And it is attached to that virtual machine. That creation time you will get, that is nothing but the VM creation date and time. Okay. Now these are the two simple approaches you can utilize to get the VM creation date and time. So that's it for today, guys. I thought to quickly show you the VM creation, how to get the VM creation date in Azure, date and time both in Azure. And these are the two simple approaches you can utilize to do that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video a little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free Azure tips and different helpful Azure PowerShell commands as well as Azure CLI commands and many more. Thanks a lot again and have a nice day. Bye bye.